Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the Journals tab on the Account Details screen. Journals or journal actions, which are predefined and previously set up, are done to grant discounts, perform small balance write-offs, and for bad debt write-offs. Practices will occasionally find that some accounts are not collectible, such as when a debtor has passed away, or oftentimes the expense incurred in retrieving funds will be more than the actual outstanding amount. Journals are not done to correct billing and receipting errors, as journals won't correct turnover and cash flow. First, let us go over how to navigate to the Journal tab on the Account Details screen. From the Diary screen, click on the desired patient's booking. The Diary sidebar will open. Click on the Account Details button to open the Account Details screen. Click on the Journals tab to open a list of previously done journals for the selected patient. Now, let us go over the various columns available on the Journal screen. The Journal column will display a unique identifying number which is allocated by the system in numerical order. The date and time on which the journal was done will be shown under the Transaction Date column. The Type column will have the journal type that was used for the write-off displayed. The Amount column will display the amount of money that was written off or discounted for the selected patient. The Transaction Funder column will display the comment made regarding the posted journal. If no comment is made, the journal type will be listed. If the user would like to view additional information regarding the chosen journal, double-click on the desired journal line to open additional subtabs. Now we will go over the information found within the Journal Lines tab. The Capture Date field will display the date and time on which the journal was posted. The Fin Period column will display the financial period wherein the journal was posted. The name of the user who posted the journal will be displayed under the Posted By field. The Journal Type column will display the journal to which the transaction belongs. The account to which the transaction was posted will be displayed under the Ledger column. The transaction on which a journal was done will display under the Journal column. A brief explanation of the transaction number will be given under the Description column. The amount of money written off from the patient's account will be displayed under the Patient column. The amount of money written off from the Medical Aid's account will be displayed under the Medical Aid column.